Good day, everyone, and hello, Jewel here with you with J7409 Weather. Well, what was tropical Invest 91L is now just rain, very severe rain, folks, okay? As of 2 a.m. this morning, Wednesday, June the 5th, 2019, this trough of low pressure seems to be located near the lower Texas and northeastern Mexico coastlines. Now, while development of this system is not expected, the disturbance will likely produce heavy rainfall over portions of eastern Mexico, southeastern Texas, and lower Mississippi Valley during the next few days. Chance of it developing in 2 days and 5 days at this time is 0%. I'm going to talk about this, rainfall totals, and more, all coming up on. And now we're taking a look at the European model of the map here. We're going to check out, you can see the rain that's falling from what was Invest 91L up in this area. Yesterday I told you guys around the Houston area I thought you were going to get a lot of rain. Now I want to stress this is only just one model. I'm going to check out what the cumulative accumulation of rain is going to look like for different areas in just a moment. But down here we're just going to skip it on through a little bit to show you how this rain is going to progress and who can look out for a lot of rain from it, whether it be a little or a lot. Once again, up here, this has nothing to do with this tropical system that made up with the rain down here, 91L, Invest 91L. This has nothing to do with it. This is another system that brought really bad weather up in Minnesota yesterday. So this is what it's looking like this morning around 9 a.m. We will click on through till around 2 p.m. this afternoon, if it will get up there. There we go. You can see more heavy rain is going to be going over Houston and just north of Houston. The rain is going to start in Louisiana and go up into Mississippi. The rain that the East Coast here is getting is from this system, not this system, okay? We'll move on up until around 7 p.m. this evening. Where will it go? Where will it move? Kind of hanging around. It's a slow mover. Lots of the heavier rain is going to move to the coast of Texas, over into Louisiana by tonight, as you can see. We'll get up to around midnight tonight. Where will it be? We'll have to see what happens here. It moves very little. Still, Louisiana getting a lot of the heavy rain. These are some heavy rain showers here, but not as bad, of course, as where you see the red and the white. So if I just turn it on, let it run itself for a few moments. I don't want to make this too long. I want to give you a general idea of where the rain is going to be tracking from this system. And there you can see in Mississippi. Now this is tomorrow. It should move out of Louisiana into Mississippi. More rain coming up. It looks like northern Illinois is going to get some rain. I don't see anything too severe yet as the other system coming in meets up with this one. You can see, but not too bad right up in this area yet so far as the heavy downpours. And of course, the more it goes over land, the more it will diminish, but the air is like soup. It's just right to make up severe thunderstorm activity. So you can see these showers they'll diminish away and then they'll pop back up over in the Florida Panhandle Friday, and up in Alabama and north of Atlanta, coming right on over to the coast. So I put this up, and just let me remind you, this is only one model, but I wanted to show you a general idea of where the heaviest rain should fall. Now for the next 24 hours, this is for today, through today, June 5th, as you can see, 24 hours. This is what the rain total should look like. Okay, when we come down in these areas, we see these reds, these orange, these tan-looking colors. Thank the good Lord we have no pink. Pink is 20 inches. Now, you may see some videos that say 23 here or this or that. That's just one model they're going off of. This is from the National Weather Service. This is accumulation of all the models put together and what the average should really look like. So it's still a lot, okay? Where you see this tan, here's some in Louisiana and over in Texas and up in this area, 7 inches. 7 inches of rain, okay? Where it's the orange outline, that's 5 inches of rain. Where you see the red outline, 4 inches of rain. And I would say 3 to 4 inches if you see any red at all. When it gets down to the purple around the fringe of it, that is about 1.5 to maybe 2 inches of rain. And that goes for a little bit of Mississippi right down here along the coastline. This is within the next 24 hours. Everybody else that's green, that's just tenths of an inch. And you've got to be, you see right over here, a darker blue to be maybe 1 inch of rain. So this is within the next 24 hours. Now, as you can see here on the watches and warnings map at this time, all of this is flood. Watches, warnings, flash flooding, all of this. This is because you guys in these areas now, 4 to 7 inches of rain is expected within the next 24 hours. And some of these areas that get some of these heavier cells, like the white clouds that I showed you just a moment ago, you could get even more than 7 inches, okay? This is from the extreme southeast Texas area into southwestern Louisiana. And it will spread over into Mississippi as the hours click by. So that's a check of what's going on, of what is left now of Invest 91L. It's down to 0% forming into anything. It will not become berry, but it will bring much, much rain. So you folks, please go ahead and prepare. It's already started. It started last evening for you folks. Flooding is a great possibility in these areas. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. Peace, love, and kindness to all. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're in these areas, folks, don't wait till the last minute. Go ahead and prepare now, just in case flooding does start to occur in the area you live in.